Las Vegas. Let's meet the next magician who's gambling they can fool Penn and Teller.
I'm Willy Monroe from Madrid. Usually people know me like a balloon magic artist. I do magic only with balloons, and I won many awards. But there is another side to me. When I was a kid, my brother brought me my first magic cube. My world changed. My life was different after this day. With this magic cube, I can combine my two passions, the magic and puzzles. Over 40 years, I collect a lot of puzzles. My house is full of puzzles. My wife went to kill me. I love magic. Magic is the only way where big things fit in small spaces. My greatest achievement is to fit a large stage illusion show, the Vegas style, in a teeny space like this. Penn, Teller, you will see.
Welcome, everyone, to the magical world of Willy Monroe.
Ladies and gentlemen, and children of all ages, welcome to the Petit Grand Theater, presenting the handsome brothers, Righteous and Leftus, and their lovely Hungarian assistant, Miss Rubik. Oh, no.
Willy Monroe! Wow. That was amazing.
Thank you very much.
Why do you think Penn said, oh no?
Maybe if you don't expect, he can check the cube.
So what's your feeling in this moment? Do you think you fooled them?
I think I fool a lot of magicians with this, then I hope.
You must be the only magician in the world who does this trick.
Yes, nobody do that. This is my own creation.
Okay. And do you always have the cube on your fingernail? You and Penn have something in common.
Yes. It's a tribute.
All right, Willy. Let's see if your cube magic is good enough to earn a trophy. Penn and Teller?
Willy, you know, doing big stage illusions is one of the hardest things to do in magic. And doing big stage illusions small seems even harder. The idea of doing this with a cube is just brilliant and so cute, and to bring our attention down that small is really great. But it's the same problem with big stage illusions, which is you tend to think, well, if I could really monkey around with the props, it probably wouldn't fool me. You know, the zigzag, the last thing you did, we could probably get some sort of idea of it with just brilliant craftsmanship, but we'd probably figure out something. The Metamorphosis looked beautiful. It was startling. It was, I think, more amazing than done full size with people. But I don't want to talk about those. The levitation, we can see everything there. It's just there. And we had like 5 ideas, and then one by one, they kind of fell away, or at least 4 of them fell away. And we had 1 left for the way you could have done that. And we talked about that and then realized that we were wrong about that too. You fooled us.
Willy Monroe, everyone! Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. We're calling a quick timeout, but we'll get right back to the action when Fool Us returns.